Question 13 asks us to prove the third angle theorem. Here you are given these triangles and you're given that angle A is congruent to angle D. We can note that by the two red curves. And angle B is congruent to angle E. We could note that by the one curve. Now the question asks us to prove that angle C is congruent to angle F, right? So let's start this with always our given statements. Our given statements are that angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E. That is going to be given. Then we know the last step has to be always our proof statement. So angle C is congruent to angle F. Now you have to develop certain things for the statement here to get to angle C is congruent to angle F. Okay. We can use our traditional triangle sum because look, we have two angles, so we could always get a third. So we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. And the reason why is because of that theorem, the triangle sum. We did that for this triangle, so let's do that for the other triangle. So we can say angle D plus angle E plus angle F equals to 180. This is useful because, look, we somehow introduce angle C and we somehow introduce angle F. That is how you know you're doing it correctly and on the right track. You are introducing things that you want. Since we have angle C and angle F now, we have to find a way to get rid of angle A, angle B, angle D, and angle E. The best way to get rid of it is to set up an equation, okay? And the equation that we could set up, do you see how they're both equal to 180? Is we can set them equal to each other because look, they're both equaling to 180, so they're both equaling to each other. Angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to angle D, angle E, and angle F. And we did that by substituting, okay? All right, now, once we substitute it, we set them equal to each other because they're equal to 180, right? Notice that angle E here, okay, we know that angle A is really angle D. Angle A is really angle D, right? So take a look. I'm going to replace the letter A with the letter D. Do you see how this was replaced with this? Okay, right? And then also notice that angle B was congruent to angle E. So angle B was congruent to angle E. I made an other substitution. Why did I do that? The reason why is because now do you see how there's a angle D and angle E on the left, which matches with the angles on the right? So technically I can subtract here. They don't show it in the proof, but you can subtract it. As a result, you are left with angle C and angle F. And you use that with the subtraction property. There you go. Okay, this is how you prove the third angle theorem.